study here. This is nice. The Tahitian, it's a 1-bedroom. Small bedroom. Ooh, I like it. Yes. It's so beautiful. Very nice. And the view? 1.995. Yeah. But the view, right? It's all about the location, the lifestyle, and if you like to surf, this is a very popular. We're at Makalei Beach. No. This is literally an open beach park to the public, and all the college kids, mostly the women, all come down here and hang out to just chill. Guest room. And we'll go downstairs. And you got the koi pond here. They'll eat all the mosquitoes that try to breed in that, the koi. So a lot of Asian culture was put into the development of this house, you can tell by and the koi. And years ago, that guy would be like 30 grand just for the food. This beautiful home here. It's a little weathered, but really beautiful, with this swimming pool and the hot tub, the lava hot tub. The pool is green because it doesn't have any treatment, but still gorgeous. Wow. There's your koi and the waterfall. And you can get out to the front right there. Okay, we're at this house. It's about almost 10 million. It's an artist house. And this door, it's amazing. It's perfectly balanced. Another koi pond, all open, all upstairs and downstairs. Really high ceilings. Hello, hello.
I tell you, he's gonna show you the house.
You remember me?
Of course I remember you.
Okay. So the vessel sink here. Little bit. Yeah, so have I. I've seen some really neat ones. Yeah. Wow. Well, it's this. I'm sure at night it looks better. Well, we're gonna. Okay. Well, now we're gonna head down to the Kahala Hotel, and we're gonna go see the dolphins. We'll see the dolphins. Wow. We'll sneak out with you. Thank you so much. That was. And this door, it's so perfectly balanced. But it's nice. Thank you. Bye-bye. This is one of the nicer hotels in Honolulu. Hoku's, but now Alan Wong's just moved in. Look, 2 of them. They're bottlenose dolphins from the Atlantic. They're kept in here and they swim back and forth. So the gate is open now. And how's that? Beautiful. And you know about the chocolate orchids right here? That smells like chocolate cherry. Yeah, there's some more chocolate ones up here farther. They have a little scent on them. I know, it's just absolutely magnificent. Here's the chocolate. No, you need to have a greenhouse. Yeah, Hawaii on the Hilo side of the Big Island is really good for orchids because it's so moist. It's so moist. If you don't have a dehumidifier in your house, all your clothes smell moldy. Here's a real chocolatey one, I'm sure. No, this one doesn't smell. Usually they do. Oh, look at this. This is the Avatar one.